How to hide story from a specific person on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you are easily able to hide a specific story from someone on Instagram. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let's begin. So if you are trying to hide a story from someone, for whatever reason, you can just first open up Instagram. Once you open up your Instagram, what you want to do is go to your profile section on the bottom right corner. Then you just have to tap on the hamburger menu to head over to your settings. Now you can search for hide story right here on the search bar and you'll see the option. And if you want to find it manually, you can do that as well. Just scroll down a bit and under who can see your content, you'll find hide story and live. Tap on it and it will remember that it will hide both your story and your live streams. So go ahead and tap on it. Now you can select the people that you want to hide your story from like this. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and tap on done. So these are the people that will not be able to see my story. And if you want to add more, you can search for their name or username and you can add it there. And no matter what I post on my story, these people won't be able to see it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.